Hey, welcome back to 2-Minute How-To. Real quick, I'm going to show you how to use the Ego 56 volt 530 cubic feet per minute blower. So let's get right to the video. So right here we have the blower. There's really nothing you have to do. I think whenever I got it out of the box, probably had to just slide that on. Here's your battery. Unclip it. Slides right out. Just slides right in there. Okay, this light right here is your power indicator. You do not have to turn this on. It's not a power button, but that will change colors depending on how much charge you have left on your battery. So basically, once you get your battery in, all you do, there's a trigger right underneath there. Pull the trigger, so you can see that's all it took. If you want an extra boost, you can hold the turbo button down with your thumb as you're pulling the trigger. But that is pretty much it. Has a lot of power. I'll blow off the mower. Okay, so I did do a little trimming a little while ago with my new trimmer, and I need to blow off some of this pool deck. So you can see it's super easy. This thing works like any other blower. It's super easy. You don't have to pull the string to start it. You don't need gas. You don't need oil. It's one of the easiest things, that I've ever used in my entire life. Put the battery in, pull the trigger, and you're good to go. Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video.